Hello, this is Trevor. I wanted to give an update on the 8-bit computer. In the last update, I showed the manual programming for the EEPROM that will run the display. Next, I wanted to build a programmatic way to write to those EEPROMs. So I built this. It didn't work as expected. There's a couple of chips missing, but there's 74 HC595s go here, but I stole those. But it didn't work as expected. And it was too big of a leap for me to go from the manual to this programmatic one right away. So I had to back up and kind of do some baby steps. So the next thing I built was this. It just runs the two 7HC 595s, and then I hooked up some LEDs and made sure I understand how to use the 3 lines, the serial, the R clock, and the S clock um, to, use these shift registers to populate ones and zeros, all the way cascade them through both. Once I understood that, then I went and built this. So with this, you can see right now the EEPROM's not populated. None of the wires go there. That's fine for me right now. I've got two of the 74 HC 595s here. And I've got it wired up so that I'm writing to these or using the shift registers with the serial line. So the value cascades down. And then I've got the output enabled tied low, which I believe is this pin 13. And all of these outputs, I, put together this quick breadboard just so I could see the values and make sure I was understanding, how everything worked and to verify everything worked. Let me switch you over to the code. So it's real simple, but basically I'm just let's see, I'm putting in an address here, and then I'm switching to that address. And I can show you it works. Let's try putting in 1365. This should go 1010 all the way through. Let me hit upload and switch you over. You can see it's running, and there we go, 1010 all the way through. If I did let's say, I don't know, 1, and then wrote that, and when it writes, you can see just the 1. So this is all working the way I expect, which is awesome. Now I can move forward and make these lines connect to the EEPROM. And then on this board, I put this header with the expectation that once I have that done, I can run the lines to this header and then switch this over to this side and test that, what I think is that address, whatever. Now that I know the address part is working, to, verify that those bits are actually written at that address. So reading and writing from the EEPROM. And that is it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.